Hey everyone, welcome back to Aqua Plaikadon, where more useless knowledge gets unlocked every day. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of game modifiers. Ever wondered how those unlimited lives or infinite coins hacks actually work? Let's break it down in a simple and fun way. Don't worry, this isn't a tutorial, just a behind-the-scenes look at how these tools are made. What are game modifiers? A game modifier is a tool that changes how a game works by altering its data in real time. Imagine you're playing a game and want infinite health. The modifier tweaks the game's memory to make that happen. But how does it actually do that? 1. The basics. Modifying memory. Every game you play stores important data, like your health, coins, or ammo in your computer's memory, RAM. Game modifiers scan this memory, locate the specific data, and change it. Here's how. Step 1. Scanning the memory. The modifier searches for the current value, like 100 health points. You take damage and your health drops to 90. The modifier scans again, narrowing down where the health value is stored. Step 2. Changing the value. Once it finds the memory location, it replaces 90 with 99999, giving you unlimited health. Step 3. Locking the value. To keep it infinite, the modifier can lock the memory, ensuring the value doesn't change no matter what happens in the game. 2. Advanced techniques. Beyond basic memory edits, more complex game modifiers use advanced methods, code injection. This involves adding custom code to the game, altering how it behaves. For example, instead of reducing health when hit, the game could add health instead. Intercepting commands. Modifiers can intercept commands between the game and your computer. For example, if the game tries to deduct coins, the modifier blocks it or changes it to add coins instead. Scripting. Some tools, like Cheat Engine, allow users to write scripts for automated hacks. These scripts can perform tasks like giving all items or completing levels instantly. Why are modifiers made? Game modifiers are usually created by enthusiastic programmers who enjoy tinkering with games. They're not always about cheating. Sometimes they're used to experiment with game mechanics, create unique challenges, fix bugs, or improve gameplay. But let's be honest, most people use them for fun, like blasting through a game with unlimited ammo or speedrunning without limits. A word of caution. While game modifiers are fun to learn about, there are a few things to keep in mind. Single player only. Modifiers in online games can lead to bans or other consequences. Be careful where you download. Some tools might contain malware, so always use trusted sources. Quick recap. Game modifiers work by scanning and changing a game's memory in real time. Advanced techniques include code injection and intercepting commands. They're created by hobbyists and hackers, often just for fun or experimentation. So there you have it. The useless knowledge behind how game modifiers work. Next time you hear about someone playing with infinite coins, you'll know exactly how they pulled it off. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Aqua Plaikadon, and leave a comment. What's your favorite game to mod? Or do you prefer playing games the old-fashioned way? Let me know below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.